In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail so you can keep your inbox organized without doing everything manually. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to organize your messages. Once you're in your inbox, look at the search bar at the top. On the right-hand side of that search bar, you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 sliders or a funnel. Click on that icon to open Gmail's advanced search options. Here, you can define exactly which emails you want to move. For example, you might want to organize emails from a particular sender, or messages that contain certain words in the subject line. Type the relevant email address in the From field, or add keywords in the Subject field. You can also combine filters like messages that have attachments, or emails sent to a specific address if you manage multiple aliases. Once you've set up the criteria, instead of clicking Search, look at the bottom right of this panel and click on Create Filter. This is where we tell Gmail what to do every time a message matches those conditions. In the filter options that appear, check the box labeled Apply the Label. If you already have a label, click the drop-down and choose it. If you don't have one yet, click New Label. Give it a clear, descriptive name, and then click Create. Labels in Gmail act like folders, so this is where those emails will automatically go. To keep your inbox tidy, you can also check Skip the Inbox, Archive it. This means that when a matching email arrives, it won't clutter your main inbox. Instead, it will go straight into that label. You'll still be able to find it anytime by clicking on the label in the left-hand sidebar. Before you finish, notice the option that says Also apply filter to matching conversations. If you want Gmail to move existing emails that match your criteria, make sure this box is checked. This is a great way to clean up older messages in one go. When everything looks good, click Create Filter. From this point on, any new email that matches your conditions will be automatically labeled and moved to that folder. If you ever need to adjust or delete this filter, click the Settings gear in the top right corner. Go to See All Settings. Then open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, where you can edit or remove it anytime.